So, hello guys. In this lecture, we are going to learn to create API um, by using fast API with the help of LangServe, like kind of API, not API. So, we did previously, we completed a small app by using Grok and OpenAI API. So here you can see this is our code, this one. Okay, so this is the message, this is the grok model. Okay, and this is the chat OpenAI model. Okay, and these are the APIs you can access, and these are the libraries that we use in our code. Okay, so here these are the here we got, we load to load.env file, and here this is the message. Okay, and this is the str output parser, and this is the chain, and this is the template, and these are the chains. Okay, so I am going to create same code, so I'm just going to copy and paste these code. So we are going to create client and server of this project. Okay, so what is the client like UI. Okay, front end or UI. So if you will go in any restaurant. Okay, and then you are I mean you are waiting for food, then somebody serve you food, and you just only eat the food. So um so you are the client. Okay, so in basically in programming term, suppose you are a client.py. Okay, and in server, server.py. What is server.py? So like in the restaurant, they have kitchen somewhere. Okay, and they cook the food in this kitchen. Okay, in backend side. Okay, so this is called a server.py. Okay, in program term. So in kitchen, what they are going to cook, okay, for you. So this is called a server.py, and you are the client. um, Somebody serve you and you just eating food. Okay, so I think you got it. So we are going to create some code, okay, in server.py, and some of code in client.py. Okay, so here we can see I already have same code. System prompt. Okay, chain system prompt. So here I already have chain, this one, and this is the same system prompt. This is the system or user prompt. Okay, so here this is the model, and this is the API, and these are the libraries which I already imported. So here I need to copy my previous code. Copy. Okay, maybe I already have uh, okay, so I need to paste it here in server.py, and here this is our new code. Fast, because I'm going to create fast API. Okay, that it will run on port. So here this is the fast API code. This is the fast API instance. App equals to fast API title, version, and description. Okay, so this is the route, apps, comma, chain and path. Okay, and this is the main function. And here we are going to import unicon. Okay, and unicon dot run, and here I'm going to pass af, this one, and this is the host, and this is the port that in this host and port we run our project. Okay, and you need to install what you need to install: LangServe, pip install LangServe, and pip install unicon fast API. Okay, so you need to install these things in your laptop. And after server.py. Okay, so I have created server.py, means I cooked food. Okay, now I want to serve this to the client. Okay, I cooked food and I want to serve this to my client. Okay, so here I want to create, this is my food. Okay, now I am going to create a client.py. Okay, so here I already have code for client.py. So here I am going to import request and import streamlit. Streamlit is used for UI, so we can create our UI. Okay, so this is the function. Here I am going to pass import text. Import text, what is the import text? If you ask the question from this model, like this provide you UI like chatbot. So if you ask the question something like hello, so it will convert it into a French language. Okay, so here in JSON body we need to pass input, so our language is French, so we need output in French. Okay, so this is the text means input text, like whatever you want to ask and whatever you want to enter inside this. Okay, these are the config and arguments, and here these this is for try exception handling, try error, try and exception for error handling. So okay, so this response equal to request dot go get dot post. Okay, request dot post. So here this is the URL, this is the port from server.py, port numbers. Okay, here you can see this is the host number and this is the port number. So I am going to use this cooked food in client.py. So I am going to use this API here, this endpoint. Okay, so here JSON equals to JSON body and response rage for status. If you have any error, then it will show you bad request. Okay, with a status and result. Here we got result response.json and return result dot get output if no output received. Otherwise response dot request dot exception request exception LE and return error. Okay, so this is for we get we can give input to the model and this will generate into a French. Okay, so this is a backend things which I got from server.py by using this request. Okay, from this one. Okay, so we can directly use this from server.py. Here this is the streamlit UI. Okay, so this is the UI part, like this is the title. Okay, title in the top of UI, and this is the input. You can enter the any input like hello, how are you, whatever you enter here, and this will convert into a French. So here this will convert into French and give you output. So this function we use to convert into a French. So function this one. Okay, here language equals to French and text equals to input, and then you got output. Okay, st dot return, you got output. Okay, so here I'm going to run server.py and in another terminal. Okay, so first we need to run server.py. Okay, because we need to cook first, then we can serve to our client. Okay, so here I'm going to run streamlit file also in another terminal, and I'm going to run it by using command streamlit run client.py. Okay, because I used streamlit in our code. So here I need to run this. Okay, so this is our front end UI. This is the title and this is the uh, this one. Enter the text you want to convert into a French. This is the input input field. Okay, so if you want to ask ask the question from this, like hello. Oh hell, not hell yaar, it's a hello. Okay, so it will give you error connection port Oh, metric is will use 1 minute. Mm, I need to close this. I also need to close this. No. Okay. And in server.py, I can change our port number because I already use this port somewhere in my another file. So I need to change this with 800 equals to 1 8001. So here also I need to change. Okay, now I need to rerun. And here I am also going to quit this terminal and run again. Okay, now you can ask the question. Hello. It translate hello into Vanzor. Okay, and you will, if you ask some other question, cook food, then it will generate this. Okay, so this will give you a different English translation in French. Okay, so if you want to use Hindi and Japanese and German, so you can also do it with this model. You need to change something like here you can change language. Okay, so bye bye guys. I hope you like my video. Take care.